Hello, in this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can redeem HSBC credit card reward points so you can use points for vouchers, flights, or statements credits. First, you will have to log into HSBC online banking or the HSBC rewards portal linked to your card. And next, you will access the rewards or points section to view your points balance. After that, you will just have to browse available redemption options like gift cards, travel, merchandise, or statement credit, and select what you want. Then you will follow the prompts to confirm the redemption and provide delivery details if needed. Finally, check your email for confirmation and expect delivery or credit within the time frame shown. And quick tip, look for special promos that increase the value of redemptions. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.